The truth is that I think we're all hungry for real conversations. And I think, especially an organization like FPA, most of us got into this profession because we deeply care about the humans that we serve, and we want to help them make good decisions with their money. And I find real financial planning to happen in conversations. The important piece to me, and I think we see this happening with FPA chapters all over too, the important piece to me is the gathering piece and trying to workshop together, like how can we become better at the craft of what we do?